How to make your account private on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account private on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click privacy, and here you will find this one, uh, account privacy. Click on it, and then if you want to make it private, all you need to do is just enable it and then click switch to private and click done, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make your account private. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.